Gavana Machakos Wavinya Ndeti ogolo siem mager ne jogo malieko weche mag miriambo mano kotendo gi tich e kaunti no kose MCAs ma kaunti no mowacho ni duoko chien chenro mag dongruok. Kane oloso e kar thieth ma Machakos level 5 kama notime limbe mar apoya, Wavinya okwedo weche mosebedo ka luorore e ute fwambo mano kotendore gi thieth osiptal no, ma bende wacho ni thieth dhi nyime kendo jogo matuo kik luoro chopo e osiptal. Bende omedo ni sirkande ok bi donjore e ywaruok moro amora manyalo duoko dongruok ma Machakos chien kosingo tiyo ne jopiny kaka ne giwinjore.
Cases that were done yesterday in theater: maternity 5 cases, BTL 3, and the main surgeries 3. A total of 11 cases were operated on yesterday. As of midnight today, we have had 12 cases. 12 cases broken as follows: 2 in maternity, BTL 3, and main operations were done 7 cases. So, Your Excellency and the people of Machakos, somebody said the theaters are closed. I want to say that those patients are available. If somebody wants to come and confirm, this is information that can be confirmed.
Pigeni ile siasa ingine yote mnataka kupiga. Lakini ikija hospitali, siasa ya hospitali wekeni kando. Number 1, wale wanafanya hapa hospitali ni watoto wa watu. Juzi kuna nasi yangu moja ameassaultiwa na mtu kutoka nje. Na ni ile mambo wale politicians wanaweka watu kwa kichwa. Wakija hapa hospitali, wakiona madaktari, wanaona madaktari kama ni adui. Daktari akijaribu kuambia mtu ngojea nini kidogo, mtu ukienda hospitali si kuna there is a queue. You have to wait. Sasa huyu anatoka anapiga mtu kofi, anaambia hata tunaambiwa kwa media, nyinyi amfanye nini, akatandika nasi.